What's up guys, it's your boy DJ AR and today I'm gonna unbox something really exciting. I was literally waiting like around 4 months, and after all I got it and I'm just gonna unbox. Let's see what's here. Yo guys, so finally, come on man, I don't have to tell you what it is. HD60S, seriously? Let's go. Okay guys, I'm just gonna unbox this really quickly. Come on. Okay, one more. Okay, finally we have to open just this, and you can see really clean look. Oh my god, am I gonna open it? Am I gonna literally open it? It's clean look. We have a clean look. Okay, we don't need this though. Okay, oh, oopsie, I've had it the wrong way. Clean look at the Elgato HD60S. What do we have here? Okay, first of all, the capture card, obviously man. We're gonna put it in a side, we're gonna see afterwards. Though, firstly we have an HDMI cable. Oops, it's not a HDMI cable though. What we have here is, I'm gonna just open it really quickly. Come on man, don't take your time. Okay, it's the plug for the USB type C, I could see. Yeah, and 3.0. If you guys know, you need a PC or a laptop with 3.0 and a high-speed HDMI. Everyone knows what is an HDMI, right? And the thing, I don't know where I'm gonna put this, on Elgato branding trademark sticker, we could say. Is there anything more? We have here like an introduction guide, kind of that. So nothing more. So this is the thing. Yeah, you guys could see it, right? This is the thing, an LED over here. Okay guys, so guys, okay, this was all about the unboxing about the Elgato HD60S though, and here's it. And I'm gonna do a lot of live streaming. Yeah, a lot of live streaming on the YouTube, of course the YouTube. But if I'm not getting satisfied, or you know, the Indian gamers, but I'm not one of them, I'm gonna stream on mainly English and the secondary Hindi. Forget about the Gujarati. Okay, so I might be switched to Twitch or any other platforms, including the Mixer. Yeah, how could I forget the Mixer, man? It's exclusive for the Xbox owners though. So until that, a lot of I said, peace out.